Before you dive into Florida's waters, you need to know this. A silent killer might be waiting for you. Warm waters, sunny beaches, and deadly bacteria. The truth about Florida beach danger may shock you. The term flesh-eating bacteria sends shivers down our spines. It's a phrase that evokes a deep sense of fear and anxiety. It conjures up images of microscopic monsters devouring human flesh, a terrifying thought that can easily spiral into panic. While the reality is not as dramatic, it is crucial to understand the truth behind this sensationalized label. The term itself is a bit of a misnomer, often leading to misconceptions. Vibrio vulnificus, the bacteria often dubbed flesh-eating, does not actually consume flesh. Instead, it's a type of bacteria that can cause severe infections, particularly in those with weakened immune systems or open wounds. Instead, it releases harmful substances called toxins that can damage our skin and tissues. These toxins break down the cells, leading to the severe symptoms associated with the infection. This distinction is important because it helps us approach the issue with a clearer perspective. Knowing that the bacteria do not literally eat flesh can reduce unnecessary fear and help us focus on prevention and treatment. While the thought of bacteria feasting on our bodies is terrifying, the reality is that Vibrio vulnificus infections, while serious, are relatively rare and preventable with proper precautions. Simple measures like avoiding warm seawater if you have open wounds and promptly cleaning any cuts or scrapes can significantly reduce the risk. Understanding how these bacteria operate and the environments they thrive in can empower us to make informed decisions about our health and safety, especially in regions like Florida. These bacteria are typically found in warm coastal waters, making it essential for residents and visitors to be aware of the risks. It's time to separate fact from fiction and delve into the world of Vibrio vulnificus, equipping ourselves with the knowledge to enjoy Florida's beauty responsibly. By staying informed and taking simple precautions, we can continue to enjoy outdoor activities without undue fear. Vibrio vulnificus is a type of bacteria that lives in warm, salty water. These bacteria are naturally occurring and can be found in coastal environments around the world. It's especially common in brackish water, which is a mix of salt and fresh water. Brackish water environments provide the perfect conditions for these bacteria to thrive. Think of areas where rivers meet the ocean. These are prime habitats for Vibrio vulnificus. Estuaries and river deltas are particularly rich in nutrients, supporting a diverse range of marine life, including these bacteria. These bacteria are tiny, single-celled organisms that are invisible to the naked eye. Under a microscope, they appear as small rod-shaped cells, capable of moving through water with the help of their flagella. They thrive in warm temperatures and are most prevalent during the summer months when water temperatures are higher. This is why infections are more common in warmer climates and during the summer season. While Vibrio vulnificus is often associated with seafood, particularly oysters, it's important to note that not all seafood carries these bacteria. Oysters filter large volumes of water which can concentrate the bacteria in their tissues. Proper cooking methods effectively kill Vibrio vulnificus, making cooked seafood safe to consume. It's crucial to ensure that seafood is cooked thoroughly to avoid any potential health risks. Understanding the characteristics and preferred environments of Vibrio vulnificus is the first step in mitigating the risks associated with these bacteria. Ongoing research and monitoring help us better understand how to protect public health and ensure the safety of our coastal waters and seafood. Florida, with its sun-kissed beaches and inviting waters, is a haven for tourists and residents alike. However, its warm climate and extensive coastline create ideal conditions for Vibrio vulnificus to thrive. The state's numerous rivers, estuaries, and coastal waters provide ample brackish environments where these bacteria flourish. The warm temperatures, especially during the summer months, further exacerbate the situation, allowing Vibrio vulnificus populations to multiply rapidly. Furthermore, natural events like hurricanes and tropical storms, which are common in Florida, can stir up sediment and spread these bacteria to wider areas. While Vibrio vulnificus is present year-round in Florida waters, its concentration tends to be higher during the warmer months. Being aware of these seasonal variations is crucial for making informed decisions about water activities. Please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel. Section 4. Debunking the myth experts weigh in. The term flesh-eating bacteria has instilled fear and misconception, often overshadowing the scientific understanding of Vibrio vulnificus. This bacterium, often sensationalized in media, has led to widespread panic and misinformation among the public. Experts in infectious diseases and microbiology are constantly working to dispel these myths and provide accurate information. They emphasize the importance of understanding the true nature of the bacteria and the actual risks involved. According to Dr. X, a leading infectious disease specialist, the term flesh-eating is a misnomer. It creates unnecessary fear and does not accurately describe the bacterium's behavior. Vibrio vulnificus does not actually eat flesh. Instead, it releases toxins that can cause tissue damage, which is often mistaken for the bacteria consuming the flesh. These toxins, when they enter the bloodstream, can cause significant harm. They trigger a cascade of immune responses leading to inflammation, tissue death, and in severe cases, necrotizing fasciitis, a serious condition that requires immediate medical attention. These immune responses are the body's way of fighting off the infection, but they can sometimes cause more harm than good. The inflammation and tissue death are results of the body's attempt to isolate and destroy the bacteria. However, it's crucial to emphasize that these severe cases are relatively rare. Most Vibrio vulnificus infections are treatable with antibiotics if detected early. Early detection and treatment are key to preventing serious complications and ensuring a full recovery. Section 5. Pathways of infection. How Vibrio vulnificus enters the body. Vibrio vulnificus infections typically occur through two primary pathways: open wounds and consumption of raw or undercooked seafood. Open wounds, even minor cuts or scrapes, provide an entry point for Vibrio vulnificus to invade the bloodstream. Swimming or wading in contaminated water with an open wound increases the risk of infection significantly. Consuming raw or undercooked seafood, particularly oysters harvested from warm brackish waters, poses another risk. Vibrio vulnificus can accumulate in the tissues of oysters, and if these oysters are not cooked thoroughly, the bacteria can survive and cause infection upon consumption. It's important to note that people with weakened immune systems, liver disease, or other underlying health conditions are more susceptible to severe Vibrio vulnificus infections. Please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel. Section 6. Staying safe in paradise. Practical tips for prevention. Preventing Vibrio vulnificus infections involves a combination of common-sense precautions and responsible behavior, especially when enjoying Florida's abundant aquatic environments. If you have any open wounds, cuts, or sores, avoid contact with saltwater or brackish water. Cover any wounds with waterproof bandages before entering the water. When it comes to seafood, always choose cooked options over raw, especially oysters. Ensure that seafood is cooked thoroughly to an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit to kill any potential bacteria. After swimming in any natural water bodies, especially during the warmer months, rinse your body thoroughly with soap and fresh water. Pay close attention to any cuts or scrapes, cleaning them meticulously. Section 7. Enjoying Florida's bounty, a note of optimism. Florida's allure as a vacation destination and a place to call home remains undiminished. While Vibrio vulnificus is a concern, it should not overshadow the countless joys and experiences that Florida offers. By understanding the risks, taking appropriate precautions, and staying informed about safety guidelines, residents and visitors alike can continue to enjoy Florida's natural beauty and vibrant culture. Remember, knowledge is power, and by arming ourselves with accurate information, we can make informed decisions that prioritize our health and well-being while embracing the wonders of the Sunshine State. Please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel.